Everybody, this is Eric with Heritage Ford, and today we're going to test drive a 2020 Ford Escape SEL. Alright, so first things first, going to buckle up for safety. You're going to notice really quick, going to show you this rear view camera we have in here. This is in every 2020 Ford. Beautiful day out in Corydon, Indiana. Especially one to test drive a brand new 2020 Ford Escape. As I said prior, we're in the SEL trim of the Ford Escape. So this will be the third trim up. You have the S, the SE, the SEL, and then the titanium. The number one thing we're going to notice different about the SEL, technology wise, is you add navigation. Prior to this, you had 4 panels down here. Now you have a 5th that says nav, and there it is. So what that is the Sirius XM Travel Link. When you buy a 2024, you're going to get a trial of that, as well as Sirius XM commercial free radio with your purchase. If you don't know about Sirius XM, it is commercial free, it's high quality, and it's hosted by influencers and entertainers you know and love. I certainly love Sirius XM. So I'm going to throw this back on here. A few other features just off the jump there is you have Bluetooth connectivity for your phone. Just go in the settings. On your phone, find the car, and it will connect, so you can play music and do hands-free calling, all from the wheel here. What Ford has focused on is they're trying to give you as much entertainment and a great entertainment communication system as possible, while also keeping it hands-free. So that's why we have all these controls just right here, and things you need to look at right on. Just all within eye view, so you're not looking too far. I'm actually going to throw this in one of the 5 drive modes you get here in the SEL, and I'm going to rev this engine and let you see how that sounds. Very nice. I love how this sounds. So under the hood, we have a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine with auto start and stop technology. I'm actually going to go back into the normal drive mode. You also have eco, slippery, and deep snow and sand, along with sport. So back onto the technologies inside this vehicle. You have you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay built in. Now this comes with the Sync 3 entertainment system. This is the Sync 3, and so what Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are is just little dashboards for your phone. It has just the essentials: messaging, calling, and music. For the most part, you also have contacts and other things. But it just shows the essentials while you're right here, and it takes absolutely no learning curve. If you know how to use your iPhone or Android smartphone, all you have to do is plug it in. It's not wireless, so plug your charging cord in down here, or in there, and you have that connectivity. And it's very, very nice. I thoroughly enjoy having it. We're actually back at the dealership here. I think I covered some good points, and I hope you learned something from this video. Once again, this is Eric with Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. Come see us. Give us a call with the number below. You can also contact us via message, email, instant chat. We're always available to help you. Reach out to us on Facebook. Give us a like on this YouTube video if you're on it, and subscribe if you'd like. So yeah, Eric with Heritage Ford. Thanks for watching.